welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing my Nerf guns I have. I don't have that many. I don't spend crazy amount of money on it, but here's what I have. So, this is one of my favorite guns here. The Hyperfire, which is a 5-round magazine automatic meat blaster. So to forgot what it's called, but to do that, press this, fire the trigger, and to take out the mag, this button right here, my middle finger's on, you just push this button down, shut down, and then pull out the mag. And it's a pretty short mag, that's what it comes with. And I'm gonna load it up. I'm only gonna put just one in, just for now. And put that. It's a nice gun, solid, some sling. I think it takes D batteries. Not sure what it takes. And there's an icon, the Recon SC6. So this is a gun. Put a 25 round drum in there, little barrel, and this is it. So to prime it, pull this back and push it forward. Then you just shoot it. And I did put on this extra attachment right here on the barrel. So it's the Recon. And another icon, which is the Spectre Rev. So I put on some attachments here. Stock, the gun itself, and a barrel. And to prime it, you just pull this back and shoot it. To load it, you just push down this and then pop out this, and you just load it individually, pop it back in, and just shoot it. And nice gun. Well, one of my first guns. And here we have the Rival Finisher, which, if you don't know what a rival gun is, it's basically just a gun that takes these foam balls, and these are the bags that it comes with, only comes with one, and put it in like that, and then you shoot it. You just prime it on the top, and then you get a pretty solid rival gun. Nice gun. And here we have this turret thing, which I don't have batteries in it, but it does have a remote, which is right here. To move it, you just pull that and shoot it right there. And it only has one shot, so you have to prime it and then put it out and then have to come back. So not that good of a gun. And now we have the Ultra 4, which is an ultra gun, of course. It's a front loader. It holds 2 here, and to prime it, actually has a really long thing I pull back. You pull this back, you let go, and shoot it. Nice and all, goes fast, very accurate, and one of my favorite guns. And here we have the big gun, the Thunderhawk, which is basically, so when you're at your base, you're supposed to mount this. Some people think that it's like a gun and you just go attack with it. But really, you're supposed to keep this at your base because it's a really heavy gun, very big, and if you want to extend it, you just pull this and it'll extend like that. So long, it has a built-in bipod. I don't think it is detachable. No, it's not. And you just put this on the ground and prop it up like this. And it does have a clip right here, which it just rotates as you're going. Starts at the small side, and to prime it, you just pull this. Once it's all primed, alright, and you shoot it, and the trigger is right here. I'm going to shoot it, and it's a pretty nice gun if you're in a base and have some protection that has a hole in it and you could shoot through it. Then I would put this gun up against the hole. It is an AccuStrike, which means it takes these mega bullets, but they're far more accurate than normal megas. So it's basically the Thunderhawk, pretty accurate, pretty nice gun. And now we have the Surge Fire, is right here. It does have a 15 bullet built-in drum, which to reload it, to put the things in, you just do that, you prime it, then you just load them up. To prime it, there's this, you just pull it back, pump action, and you push it, you just fire it. And it does keep rotating as you fire it. Pretty accurate gun, pretty nice. Not one of my favorites though. And there's this gun, forgot what it's called. And I do have another version of this, but it's yellow. And it's a nice gun. You prime it, it's this right here, pull it back, and then you just shoot it. Don't have ammo in it, so don't have ammo on most of these guns. Just a 25 drum. And this is an X-Shot. And an X-Shot is basically a rip-off brand of Nerf, sort of. And you just prime back here. It's a pretty powerful pistol. So once I shoot it, yeah, good accuracy, good power, pretty good, really cheap. And now we have this wrist blaster thing that you put it on your wrist, and so you put on your wrist like this, so that these things are in the front, and you hold on to this thing here, and to prime it, you just hold down this, and you pull this back, and then you can tell it's primed by these, and to shoot it, it has two darts. To shoot it, you press down these, and then you shoot. So I'm going to put a dart in. So a dart won't prime. Okay, pretty sure I broke it. Yeah, this gun's broken. Well, it does shoot not that far, but it's a cool thing to have on your wrist, like, at some time. And now we have this gun, which is an Air Warriors. It It is a really nice gun, shoots hard, sort of like a pistol. And you just prime it back up top, like that. Once it's primed, just shoot it. Accurate, nice gun. And I have this gun right here, this dart tag. And to prime it, right here, you pull this back, and then you just shoot. It's easy to prime, pretty big gun, pretty chunky, overall, decent gun. And this crossbow, which is stuck. So, see you in the next video. It's all my Nerf guns. I do have more, but I just lost some. Right there.